Hello everyone, this is Tonmoy, and you know that actually in every single day I always make video improving English. So in today we are just doing a farming work, and now you can see that I'm just going. So let's go. Please come. Now I'm here and go with my little brother. You can see actually this is the farming work, and please come. Please come. And it's very interesting when we do it together actually. So let's, you can see, and now I just remove the soil actually from the trees. This is called paddy trees, right? In village, this is the very happyable thing when we work together. And here you can see this is my brother. So don't worry about that. Work is work. Though it's a little or big, it doesn't matter. See? So guys, now you see that already finished the work, and after finishing the work we go in the river, and where we are just clean ourselves, right? And you always think that my little brother is doing very good work than me. Actually, there is no shame to do any work like village farming work or anything. So you see that this is totally finished, and we are free. So love you everyone. Be bold, be the best version of yourself, and like this video, subscribe our channel to get more video like this.